Hello! This is Carrie Livingood, and thank you for taking a moment to learn how you can improve your internal communication with Microsoft Teams. In this video, we will show you how to install the Teams application to your phone, how to sign in, and how to start using it. If you have a Microsoft Teams account, you can not only set it up on your computer, but also on your phone. This can be especially helpful for employees on the road or for those who do not have a work computer to take home. You can download the Microsoft Teams application from your phone's App Store. You can easily find it by searching for Teams or Microsoft Teams and begin downloading. Once the download is complete, open the app and it will ask you to enter in your email. Here, you will enter in your company email address and the password, and then sign in to your Teams account. If this is your first time logging into Teams on your phone, you will be met with different prompts to access different accessories to your phone, like your microphone and notifications. You will also be welcomed with a quick intro to the Microsoft Teams application. There are several key features that will help you navigate through the application. See on the bottom the different icons for Activity, Chat, Teams, Calendar, and Calls. Click on the Activity button to see updates to different chats in Teams you are in. When you get responses to chats or there is a new conversation posted to one of your teams, you will see a notification in your Activity Center where you can see what has been updated and travel to those boards quickly. This is very convenient if you are included in several groups and chats and want to see what has been updated. To view your chats, click on the chat icon on the bottom toolbar. This will bring you to all the different chat rooms you have open in Teams. These are the same chats that are open on your computer and will carry the same conversations. From here, you can start new conversations or open previous conversations. In the chat, you can send messages, attach pictures, GIFs, attachments, and you can also video and audio call. Here, you can also access files that you have shared together, or you can access the different applications you have added to Teams. The next icon on the toolbar is Teams. This will bring you to the different teams and channels that you are a member of. Tap on them to open a specific channel where you can either post a new conversation or respond to existing conversations, much like you would on the computer. In these text boxes, you can also add pictures and files. In the top right corner, there is also a bell icon that will allow you to turn off notifications from the channel you are in. This will stop notifications from populating on your phone. In the channels, you can also access files and other applications you have installed. Back on the toolbar, there is also icons for the calendar and calls. Tap on the calendar. From here, you can also join Teams conferences and add new appointments. Tap on the calls button to see your recent Teams calls and see if anyone has left you voicemails. From here, you can also make new calls by tapping the call button on the top right. Other features in the phone application for Teams include the search icon, where you can search through your chats, teams, and files. You can also edit your profile by tapping on the three bars on the left. Here, you can change your status, set a status message, turn off your notifications, change settings, and more. Thank you! And if you have any questions or need assistance setting up Teams on your phone, feel free to reach out to us and we will be happy to help.